The first thing you notice when you open the door and enter the room is the light switch next to the door. Now, this is pretty typical on cruise ships today. There is a slot you must leave a card in to maintain the electrical power in your room. On the back of every cruise ship door is the emergency evacuation plan. To the right is a full mirror. Moving forward, you will notice a queen size bed, a nightstand on each side of the bed. The nightstands have a USB port at the base of both of the nightstand lamps. Turning, you'll notice a vanity mirror, a desk, the TV, more storage, the cooler, keep your beverages nice and cool, more storage, hair dryer. They left us water and Diet Coke and a Coca-Cola. We're not sure if that's included, but we do have the Premier beverage package, so I assume it is. And nice artwork on the wall. Going back towards the door, so we turn here, you will notice there is a open closet storage area for all your clothes, which is great. Just turn the lights on. And last but not least, we'll look at the bathroom. Moving to the bathroom. As you enter, it's a typical cruise ship bathroom. It looks like the shower is a little larger than normal, more rectangular than square. There's an area you could actually put your foot up on, ladies shaving their legs. There's a handrail. There's also body wash, shampoo, conditioner combination. The shower head is adjustable, the height. Here's your towels. You got 3 shelves for storage. Plenty of storage underneath. Overall, really nice. I would prefer to see a glass shower door than the curtain, but it's still really nice. I almost forgot. This is a closet right here. So this is where your safe is located, and you have shelves to store stuff on. Really nice. Kind of a unique situation having this wide open. This closet is basically just wide open. You don't have any doors on it. It saves space, but everything's wide open. And right here, I just noticed they have the laundry bags, which is good.